Hey, what is up guys, this is Huzaifa Finance here. This video is about how you can create and verify your account on Binance. It means if you are trying to create an account, if you want to sign up your account on Binance, and if you want to verify your account, then this video is for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and subscribe to the channel and press bell icon as well. Keep supporting the channel. Thank you so much for your love and support on this channel, and let's begin the video. But before starting the video, I would like to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. And one more thing I would say is that keep supporting me. So yeah, let's go. You can just come to my description of this video. The link to the Binance account creation page is in description. You can come to my description and you will see a link like this, create Binance account here. You can just click on this link and it will open this window as well. You can see here are two options: create Binance account, register with your email or mobile. So here we go. Here is the main thing which I want to tell you is that you can see here are two options: register with your email or mobile. There is an email option, there is an mobile options. You can choose your country. If you are going with your mobile phone number, and you can type your mobile password, and here is my referral ID. What it does, it gives you 20% off on your trading fees. Whenever you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you pay a fee, and by using my referral code you will get 20% off on that fee. So that is really a cool thing for you as well. What I would recommend is that clicking on this email, I would recommend that create an account with the help of an email, because it is really important. You can type your email password, and here's my referral code. If it is not filled, I will provide you. You can type in and get 20% off on your trading fee. So here you can see there is a check mark. You can like it, you can just check mark it. It says I have read and agreed to Binance terms of service. You can just click on create an account. Once you click on this one, it will just give you a verification thing. You just need to drag that thing, and then after that what you need to do. But before telling you that, I am telling you that I am showing you the procedure on computer and laptop. I will show you also the procedure on Binance application, Binance app, which you can download from Play Store and App Store as well. I will show you the procedure on mobile phone as well. But yeah, let me show you the procedure on computer first. You can type your email and password which you have created your account on, and then you need to do just is log in. Once you log in, you will get a verification code on your email or mobile number, whatever you have provided your account to create with. Then you need to verify that thing, and then your account will be opened and created like this thing. As you can see, my account is created. This is my dummy account. This is not my main account. Basically this is my dummy account. I just created this one to show you how it works. Here you can see verify your account, get verified. So the first thing, when you open your Binance account on computer or laptop, you need to do one thing, is that you need to just come to this logo icon. And here is an option of identification. You see I am unverified, and you can see there is an option of identification. But if you don't want to go deeper into that, you just need to do one thing that is really important, and that is easy as you like. That is just click on get verified. Let me just show you what happens when you click on this one. It is taking some time. So you can see it is asking me to log in. Okay, let me show you. Once you click on your logo, this one, you can see here it shows dashboard, security, identification, reward center, referral, task center, API management. Okay, you need to click on identification, and let me show you something. Okay, it is again asking for my verification and login. Let me just log in. Here is the verification thing. You can just click on the personal thing. You can click, you can see I have verified this one, basic one. You can click on this one, and you can just create your account. I mean to say, you can just verify your basic thing, and then you can click on verify now. After this, you need to fill your information, your smart card, national ID card, or password, in which country you are living. You need to upload those things. These are some examples how you can do that thing. And after verification, I'm gonna show you something. Let me just move you towards the dashboard. Here is dashboard. Let me show you. Just wait a little bit. Okay, here's dashboard. Here are details of your account, and here you can see different things. Here you can see you can enable your phone verification and other stuff to secure your account as well. Welcome to Binance, and these are some other things as well. Let me show you how it works. You can see I have logged into my account as well. You can see it is order, spot order, margin order, p2p transactions, earn history. Here are some other features of this Binance exchange. You can buy crypto from here, cash deposit, debit card, p2p trading. How you can buy cryptocurrencies. First you need to, if you are living in countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, you can do p2p trading, peer to peer. So once you do that, you need to just uh, buy USDT from your local currency, and then you can use that USDT to transfer it to your relative. You can trade that to your relative, and your favorite cryptocurrencies which you want to buy. It's simple as you like it. So yeah, this is how you can do. You can see the price of BNB as the time of recording, BTC, ETH, and all these coins, ADA, Cardano, etc. As you can see, here's their mobile application. Here's their the computer, tablet, and laptop version as well. As you can see, this is totally the Binance account, how you can create your Binance account and verify your Binance account. But I want to tell you something, that this is the thing, this is a tutorial of a computer slash laptop, but if you are looking for the mobile version, I'm show you. So this is the mobile version. You can see once you register your account, once you create your account, like as I show you in the PC version, it is the same thing. Once you do that, you can just create your account from that way, and then you can download your Binance application, and then what you need to do is log into your Binance application. After that, you need to just click on these three lines, and then you need to verify your country from which you are living in, and you can just verify your account from that as well. So you can see here, here's an option as well. You can click on this one as well, verify your account, and after that it is some information. You need to fill this information. After you do this successfully, here is some information. As you can see, after you do this successfully, your account is created, and now you can trade your currencies which you want to trade. And this was the video, and I hope so you enjoyed the video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, press bell icon, and keep supporting me. Watch my SafeMoon video, that will SafeMoon ever reach 1 cent or not. It is very good video. So see you guys next time. Bye guys. Peace.